full fresh romaine. I stay with the cash like an SO chain. 5500 nigga, that's your range. When I came to the club, it was storm of the cane. Hit the pull up, thinking G.I. Joe, man. 762 turning G.I. Status. More walking all on the money. When I move out, my diamonds still sunny. When I move out, I don't need no 20s. When it comes to the drip, not in front of me.
Y'all should know what I'm gonna say already. But if you don't, I'm gonna tell you anyway. Before y'all get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, do what you do, grind how you grind. Let's get right into it. So, you want to know if it's a good time to invest right now? Well, I'm going to tell you. Personally, in my opinion, right now is the best time to invest. Invest any little bit of money you have, any $1, $2, $3, $4.
2 hours later.
$4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. Everything. Invest $100, invest $500, invest $1,000, invest $2,000, invest $10,000, invest $50,000, invest $1 million. Invest as much money as you possibly want and can right now. Because right now, in my opinion, is the best time to invest. And I'm gonna tell you why. Number one, right now, everything is low. Right now, nobody wants to spend money right now. Which is perfect for somebody that can spend money right now. If nobody wants to spend money right now, guess what that means? Yes, go ahead. Yes. It means everything is low right now. That's exactly what that means. It means everything is low, it makes it easy for everybody to buy. It makes everything easier for everybody to buy. So for example, I'm gonna break it down for people that don't understand right now. So, something that was $10 before, right? Was $10 before this whole pandemic started and ruined everything, ruined summer 2020, ruined everything this whole year. Something that was $10, you could get and negotiate for whatever, $6, $5, $4. This is just an example. This is not factual. This is just an example to help you guys understand what I'm talking about. So, one of the best things to invest in right now, and I'm not gonna be able to stress this enough, is the stock market. Right now, it is one of the best times to invest in the stock market right now. I personally invest in the stock market. I recently just started investing in the stock market since like March 16th. I'm gonna show you guys my portfolio in another video. That's why I haven't shown y'all my portfolio. That's why I haven't shown you guys my portfolio yet. Because I'm waiting and I'm saving it for another video, a full video on my portfolio, my stock portfolio. I don't got no responsibility right now. More to the story, I don't got no responsibility right now. So I'm taking all my money that I'm accumulating and I'm putting it into the stock market right now. That's personally what I'm doing. Right now, I'm gonna give y'all an example and I'm gonna show pictures about this one. A couple months ago, or like maybe not even a couple months ago, a couple weeks ago, maybe like in February or January, certain stocks, for example, Boeing. Boeing is a company that makes airplanes on the planes that you fly on. Going from wherever you're going from, Miami, New York, LA, Texas, anywhere you want to go, Puerto Rico, Mexico. 9 times out of 10, you're flying on a plane that the company Boeing made. This is $100 billion trillion company. It was selling at maybe like $300 to $400 a share for one share. And this is one of the expensive companies. One share in January. And now it's selling at $130. So what I'm trying to say is, if you can buy. Right now, I recently invested in companies such as Delta, such as United Airlines, such as American Airlines, such as Carnival Cruise Line. I invested in the stock market in these companies right now. So meaning I bought shares of these companies right now. And I'm not gonna go too much into it because I'll make that a whole extra video. But I put money into it. I put a couple $1,000s into it. I'm gonna show y'all in another video. So another example is Carnival Cruise Line. Carnival Cruise, if you know Carnival Cruise, is a big $1 trillion cruise line that does cruises. And in January, they was selling at $50, $40 to $50 a share. Right now, they're selling at $12 a share. So recently, I've been investing in a lot of travel companies because if you put your money in, they so low right now that the only place that they could go is up in market value. The only place that they can go is up right now in market value, unless companies go bankrupt. That's the only thing. The way I see it, the government is not gonna let these companies go bankrupt. No matter what, the government is not gonna let these companies go bankrupt. So, I know I'm a long-term investor. So I know within a couple months to a couple years, I'm going to triple my profits. I'm going to demolish my portfolio. So that's why I say it's good to invest in the stock market right now. I have several friends that are investing in the stock market right now, and they're all saying the same exact thing. Index funds, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, anything that you could get your hands on right now that's low, that was high once, beautiful. That is the best thing you could do right now. Put your money in there. That's number one. Number two, and this is like another way you can invest your money right now, is real estate. Now, real estate didn't really take that hard of a toll as it did in 2008 when there was a recession in 2008. But right now is the best time to buy properties for flipping or rental properties. Whether you want to buy a property, remodel it, make certain upgrades to it, for example, kitchens and bathrooms, and flip it, sell it at a higher price, or you could just rent it out to a tenant and make cash flow every month. Right now is a good time to buy properties for that reason, because they're low. Nobody's buying houses right now. Nobody is buying houses right now. So the prices are low. Even if they did not go down as much as 2008, they still went down. Regardless, they still went down. So you have to keep your eyes open for things like this. You have to think about this. Like I said in my last video, you have to have a positive mindset. Scared money does not make no money. Scared money does not make no money. What Meek Mill said.
Scared money don't make no money.
Now, a third thing is cars. If you somebody that wants to go into selling cars, because there's people out there that make millions of dollars flipping cars, buying used cars, selling them for a certain price somewhere else, buying a high-end cars, selling them for certain prices somewhere else. There's people that do that. There's people that really just buy cars and sell them. So right now, the automobile companies have been taking a hard hit right now with this recession, because nobody is going out and buying cars. Nobody's going out and buying new cars. Nobody's going out and buying used cars. So right now, if you have money laying around and you want to invest it right now and you think it's a smart idea to do that, cars is another way to do it too. So we got houses, which is good, rental properties, flipping properties, whatever. Right now is the best time to buy houses right now. Stock market, that's my number one. That's my number one. Stock market, you can put a lot of money into the stock market. And number three, cars, the automobile companies, anything, used cars, new cars, whatever. Those are three ways that you could right now invest. Is it good? Yes, that's what I'm saying in my personal opinion. Are you somebody that's scared to take risks and scared of losing your money? Then for you right now, it's not a good time, because you're scared that you're gonna lose your money if any of these companies go bankrupt, if nobody wants to buy your house that you buy for a rental property or flipping a house, if nobody wants to buy that, or if nobody wants to buy your car. So that's understandable within yourself. But for somebody that wants to flip their money and is not scared of taking a risk and losing a little bit of their money right now, because right now everything is down, so it's not gonna seem like you're making money. It's gonna seem like you're losing money. But give it time, give it a couple months, give it something. And I promise you it's gonna go back up. I promise, because at the end of the day, there's too much down for it not to go back up. There's so much down for it not to go back up. Those are my thoughts and those are my personal opinions if it's a good time to invest right now. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, DM me at Pablo Stacks. Link is gonna be in the description. Everything is gonna be in the description. Do what you do, grind how you grind. I'm out.